Palm Beach International Boat Show, what a week you have been. We have been delighted here at Damen Yachting to welcome so many people to our stand to talk through our Amel Super Yachts, our Luxury Explorer yachts and our yacht supports.
Palm Beach!
We've hosted so many different events, being able to see so many of our different stakeholders, from the press to brokers to clients. And much more, we've been able to see so many of our different fleet and our crew here at the show.
It was great to be back in the United States. Thank you, all of you, for coming to see us in Palm Beach.